Online penetration of retail is expected to reach 10.7% by 2024, compared with 4.7% in 2019. And by 2025, online shoppers in India are expected to reach 220 million. It means digital presence is a must for retailers of all sizes. If you're not online and your sales activities are not streamlined, you are making it difficult for your business to maintain customer loyalty who are opting for more convenient ways to shop and keeping up with customer expectations. So how do you, as a retail business, solve these problems? You switch to a sales software that not only will give your business an online presence, but also increase your conversion rates significantly. Here are some ways your retail business can use sales software. Store important lead information. A sales software is designed to store information about all your leads and customers. It gives you an insight into their activities, behavior, shopping history, and interests to help your sales team understand their needs. All your contact information will be stored in a centralized database to avoid any confusion. You can categorize your leads according to the behavioral metrics and plan your sales strategy to convert more leads into customers. More targeted campaigns. Have the leverage of running targeted campaigns according to your lead data. For instance, if a customer is searching for a product on your website, but didn't purchase it, you can send promotional emails and SMSs to trigger their purchase decision. Better customer experience. Maintaining a good relationship with your customer is crucial. Bad customer experience not only affects your business, but also deteriorates your brand value. With a sales software, you can be proactive with your customers' queries, address complaints, and build strong lasting relationships with your customers. Retain existing customers. Run different loyalty programs and track campaign performance to retain your customers. Monitor transactions, distribute coupons, and gift reward points to maintain loyalty to your business. Acquiring new customers can get expensive sometimes, however, retaining customers is just a strategy away. And with good sales software in place, you can plan out everything and streamline your sales process seamlessly. Take your retail business to the next level with NeoDove. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more such videos and stay tuned for the next one.